Alright guys, you've seen modifier chaining before. Now it's about to get taken to the next level, super intense. The woman spoke to the professor who taught the class. To the professor tells us who the woman was speaking to, so the speaking happened in the direction of the professor, right? That's going to be a prepositional phrase. Why? Because it starts with a preposition, to. So, it's not a direct object, right? Prepositional phrase modifies that verb. And then the professor who taught the class. Who taught the class is an adjective clause telling us more information about that professor. This is a really simple sentence. It's not a sentence that you've never seen. It's nothing crazy. We're just starting to give names to the pieces. Adverb, prepositional phrase, adjective clause. It's no big deal. We're just giving names to the pieces, right? So, we've got the woman who spoke to the professor who taught the class. You could also say the woman who taught the class spoke to the professor. Okay. So, who taught the class here modifies woman, and then to the professor, adverb prepositional phrase, still modifying spoke, right? Or we could say something like, the woman who taught the class in the morning spoke to the professor from France. Who taught the class tells us more information about the woman. That's an adjective clause because it has a subject and verb. And then in the morning tells us when that class was taught. So that's an adverb prepositional phrase. How do we know? Because it starts with the word in, and all prepositional phrases start with a preposition. In is a preposition. And then spoke to the professor. Again, well, we know that one. That's an adverb prepositional phrase modifying spoke. And we know because it has to. And then the professor is from France, which is another phrase, prepositional phrase. We know it's a prepositional phrase because of that word from. And in this case, it modifies the professor. So it is an adjective. You can string a bunch of this stuff. We could keep going forever. Like I said, you're going to have sentences that are just one prepositional phrase after another, after an adverb clause, adjective clause, all kinds of stuff, one thing after another. It's going to get intense. It's going to get awesome. Let's do it.